Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. May all the peace and blessings of the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of us. As you can see on the board, you have a setup to investigate the gas given off when a food sample is being heated. Now in our setup, we have the source of it, the food sample, a test tube containing calcium hydroxide solution. We also have the boiling tube, the rubber stopper, and the delivery tube. Now, the essence of this experiment, or rather this setup, is to investigate and ascertain the gas given off when a certain food sample is being heated. Now, suppose the food sample we have, let's say, is starch. So we want to test the gas given off by using calcium hydroxide. Now, the first thing you need to tell us is, what do you observe? Then, whatever observation you make, then you can draw the conclusion based on the observation. Now, the first thing you will realize is, when this experiment goes for a while, there will be a milky solution that will be formed, or rather, the calcium hydroxide solution will turn milky, meaning a gas has been produced which reacted with calcium hydroxide that enabled it to turn milky. So that gas given off is carbon dioxide. So we realize when this food sample is heated, a carbon dioxide gas will be given off that will turn the calcium hydroxide solution milky. Alongside the carbon dioxide, also water will be produced. Now, part of the requirement of the experiment, we were having copper 2 chloride paper. Now, when that liquid produced is reacted with copper 2 chloride paper, the paper turns pink, confirming that the colorless liquid produced was basically water. Because water, the chemical test for water is either it turns blue cobalt 2 chloride paper pink, or anhydrous copper 2 sulfate, which is white in color, into blue. Now, what can we realize now that the food sample has been burned and the products formed are two? We have carbon dioxide and water. We can realize that that is aerobic respiration. When food sample is completely broken down to release energy, chemical breakdown of that particular food sample to release energy, alongside with carbon dioxide and water. Now, the carbon dioxide is the one responsible for turning the calcium hydroxide solution milky, and water, which is the water vapor, or rather the liquid collected, that is turning the anhydrous cobalt 2 chloride paper pink. So, in an examination, you will be asked, state the observation made. Observation number one will be, the calcium hydroxide solution will turn milky. Observation number two will be, the colorless liquid produced turns the anhydrous cobalt 2 chloride paper pink. Those are the observations. Now, explanation, you say the gas given off is carbon dioxide and the colorless liquid is water. With that few remarks, I wish you all the best.